What's up everybody and welcome to The Golden Life, and in today's video I am going to be deep cleaning my living room. I've got about an hour to get this thing together. It's a lot of dust, it's a lot of crumbs everywhere. Spring is right around the corner and I am excited to open up the windows and not be freezing anymore. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video and let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is just kind of move things out of the way, put things away, and kind of organize everything under my credenza, because as you guys can see, there are a lot of DVDs and just kids stuff everywhere, and for some reason the kids just don't know how to put everything back. They just kind of throw it there, throw it here, and I'm on them a lot to try to make sure they put things back. But, you know, sometimes they just don't. You know, kids will be kids. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten everything up, make sure all the DVDs and games are put back into their case, and then I'm going to go ahead and dust everything off. One of the things that I love about spring cleaning and really just deep cleaning my home is that everything just kind of gets a refresh, but the air also feels a lot cleaner. Let me know down below, do you guys feel the same way when you deep clean your home? If you do and you agree with me, put the blowing air wind emoji down in the comments below. Comment down below, are you a candle lighter or do you like to actually burn some essential oils in the diffuser? I know for me, I'm definitely someone who will go towards the diffuser because I feel like it just fills the whole house. It's a lot safer because it's non-toxic. You don't have to worry about, you know, what's in the candles that is burning in the air. And then also, I feel like it's also safer because I have little ones, so I don't really have to worry about, you know, fires or anything getting started. I did try this new candle from Target. I completely regretted it because I couldn't really smell it as strong as I can smell like the diffuser. But it's okay. I gave it a shot. I probably won't be burning it or purchasing it again. Also, what essential oils, if you do use essential oils, what essential oils do you use? Because with the spring coming up, I am definitely on the hunt for some new smells. I want something that smells great. If you guys have any suggestions, please let me know down below because I would love to try them out. Okay, so this spring I have finally decided to get my patio, balcony, whatever you want to call it, together because we've been here a little too long for us not to get it together. I've literally technically just kind of turned my balcony into a storage area, but I've talked to my husband. I'm like, look, we've got to get it together. We've got to make it comfortable. I mean, this is where we're at. So We are going to finally get it together. You guys know me. I like to take my time. I do not like to rush into a project just because I feel like when you take your time, it really map everything out. It really comes together. And I'm not just buying stuff that just to put it on, you know, in a video just for you guys to see. I actually want to be able to use the things that I am purchasing and not just, you know, here for a season and gone the next. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are subscribed and also hit that bell button so you guys definitely don't miss it. You're not going to want to miss this one, I'm telling you. I know you guys enjoyed my last makeover. If you haven't seen my last makeover, my garage makeover, make sure you guys go ahead and watch that as well. I'll put it in the cards for you as well down in the description. So after this video, you guys can check it out. Moving right along, as you guys already have seen, I am going to clean my couch, and I'm gonna actually go ahead and move everything behind there because I found, you guys already know I be finding the most randomest things around my home. There was a cup, there was socks, there were just everything, toys, you know, trash, all the stuff that you would typically find underneath the couch. And so yeah, I'm gonna clean that up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start sweeping. So that pretty much wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.